Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another market recap. This is how we did today performing on the SPY. We took one position in the AM session. Was a win. I shorted the market again. And I'll explain exactly why I shorted it and where I was targeting. But overall, we did have a run up into these all-time highs once again. So I'm gonna go ahead and break down today's delivery on price and what I saw and why I took that. 8:30 news CPI right here. Nothing crazy looking so far, right? However, we did create a London low from that data release, right? We have the London high up here that was the all-time highs. This London high had swept these previous all-time highs there. So every time we take all-time highs again, I always adjust my raise, of course. But yeah, we also did have this very small end dog right here, right? This part. So I shorted the market, the first presented fair value gap, but not because I wanted to see it fill this end dog. Rather, we had this hourly inverse fair value gap form on the higher time frame, right? What did price do here? Tuesday, it came dipped down into this new day opening gap, right? Is this Friday? Yeah, new day opening gap. Respected that, all right? Inversed that leg down that brought us to that sell side, creating that 1 hour inversion fair value gap, correct? So that consequent encroachment was my target, and boys, look at this. You can't make this up. Look at what's it do? Comes down into that hourly, right? Comes down into that hourly inverse fair value gap to the consequent encroachment, and what's it do? Respects it and completely reverse rip it to all-time high, right? And whenever people say online, "Oh, RTT doesn't work," they just couldn't figure it out. I stick to this because I've seen this stuff form and play out over time, and obviously it did take a while to get there. But once you see that stuff, that's the market. That's the market. It can't change. Price needs to deliver this way. There's no other way it could deliver. All it is doing is sweeping inefficiencies and either higher or lower levels of liquidity, right? So what did we get here? London ran up to that all-time high, right? Swept it, created a new all-time high, which gives us a zone to target, right? Here's data, gives that new day opening gap, right? Comes down, hits a consequent encroachment of that inverse fair value gap, and respects it all the way to the all-time highs, and thus creating even higher all-time highs, right, to end the session. So yeah, nice uh sell to buy model here. Um, I was copy trading this on my 50K Fundex Express, so I did catch a nice move with that. And we are close to securing another payout with Top Step, so that should be nice. But I am gonna take my talents to lucid trading after either if I don't get brought up to live on Top Step, and if I blow those accounts, I'm going to lucid. I had a good run with Top Step, but man, it's like they're just beating their rules down and their payouts, and the fact that they even lowered their max payout cap. I just, there's no point you wouldn't go to lucid trading at this point. Better rules, better prices, and yeah, can't really beat it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching like always. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.